So this is how you can earn using the Temu Affiliation Program. Let's open up a browser, and as you can see, I'm already in the affiliate website. So if you don't have it already, you're going to want to sign up to the Temu Affiliate website. It's actually quite simple. Go ahead and search Temu Affiliate on your browser and then sign in your Temu account. So it will bring you to this website right here. How do you actually earn using this account? Well, it's quite simple. As you can see, I already have 100 available to withdraw, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So here, if you scroll down, you can earn 30% commission and a 150 download reward for every referral who downloads and orders from Temu. So yeah, you're going to want to tap on share to earn and then copy the link, or either tap on share to earn and then tap on message, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, X, or Line. You can go ahead and share your link to these 6 websites or 6 social media platforms, and then share it to your friends, your fans, your followers, or whoever. Basically, what you're going to want to do is advertise Temu to your friends, and each one of them who orders something while using your link to download the app will count as a referral, meaning you're going to get 30% commission of their order and then an extra 150 just because they ordered. It's simple and easy, right? And you can convince them by saying that they can get a 2,000 coupon bundle, free gifts, exclusive deals, and big coupons. So you can also share these links over here. But basically, all you're gonna have to do is share this big link to your friends or family or whoever, and then make sure that they order from Temu to get this 30% commission and 150 download reward. And yeah, that is how you can earn on Temu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.